IceStone is the world's safest and most sustainable durable surface. While most durable surfaces contain petroleum-based resins and petrochemicals, IceStone contains just 3 core ingredients: 100% recycled glass, pigment, and cement. There's no mining involved, and every slab is cast in Brooklyn, USA. IceStone durable surfaces are used as countertops, cash wrap areas, conference tables, vanities, stair treads, and more. We make a variety of colors and textures, and we develop custom colors for large commercial projects such as the Bank of America Tower and the Gates Foundation.
IceStone is on a whole nother level. We are just ecstatic about having it as part of our project.
Last year, this factory rescued 2.5 million pounds of used glass and turned it into beautiful, non-toxic surfaces for our homes.
IceStone is the only durable surface to achieve the gold level of cradle-to-cradle certification, a framework that assesses a product's impact on human and environmental health. Our mission is to create a high-design product that is healthy and safe for people and for the planet. We call our core value the triple bottom line. Social and environmental efforts at IceStone are not looked on as philanthropic campaigns. They're built into the DNA of our mission. IceStone doesn't stand alone in its passion to do well by doing good. The company is a founding member of B Corporation, a network of companies that believe good businesses can solve social and environmental problems. B Corps strive to do more than just make a good product or implement a socially responsible initiative. B Corps operate by a code of ethics and practices. Leading the sustainable manufacturing renaissance and creating good U.S. jobs has attracted attention from the design world as well as the government. Nancy Sutley, chairperson of the White House Council on Environmental Quality, held her press conference on green jobs at IceStone in the spring of 2011. Chairperson Sutley witnessed firsthand IceStone's daylit factory, water recycling system, and diverse culture. Creating green jobs that pay a living wage, American businesses can help strengthen workers and the economy. We believe that a collaborative, safe, and healthy culture leads to the greatest success stories. Everyone has a voice, whether it's at our monthly town hall meetings or on a cross-functional team.
IceStone botana lugbugs mass waste rapid.
IceStone is a pioneer and the product of the future.
We believe in designing a better way.